Live from Hollywood, this is the KTLA Morning News.
Is your pet keeping you up at night because it snores?
Yeah, I've heard them gurgle. I have a friend whose dog burps, but I've never heard of a snoring dog. Gayle Anderson says that she's got dogs that snore incessantly.
Westlake Village, Gayle.
Well, after a good workout like they're having today when they're with Mommy all day because Mommy's up so early, Bert especially will snore. Now, if you think I'm joking, we're here with Melody DeRavel. She's with a company called Green Pharmaceuticals. You might have heard about what we're about to talk about. Let me show you. Listen to, and look at this tape if this is the problem in your house. Don't laugh, Carlos. Look at this. Now, I know you're thinking they must have given that dog something, but I have that problem with Bert. So, Melody, you have a product called SnoreSleep for pets that will do what?
Well, what it does, it shrinks the swollen soft tissue in the back of the throat, and it dries the mucus out of the sinus cavity, so that it opens up and clears both air passages.
And this is how it works because, you know, pets aren't going to be... Oh, it's a tablet.
We have a tablet that you can either stuff into a treat.
Okay.
Or we also do have a spray.
Oh, there you
oral
go.
Spray that you spray anywhere in the gums or lips.
Okay, because they're not going to tolerate something going up their nose.
Oh, no, definitely not. It's too evasive.
And we wanted to talk to Melody because we've seen their unusual advertising, and they're famous, Green Pharmaceuticals, for unusual advertising. See this guy behind me here? And there he is there. You're the folks who paid for advertising on that guy's forehead. How did that work? $37,000 he got?
$37,375.
And on the top of his head, he walked around with
SnoreStop.
SnoreStop. Now, that's for people who have snoring problems.
Correct. We've been doing it for humans for over 10 years, and we just came out with the product for pets.
Oh, interesting. And they have another interesting campaign going on in South Carolina. We'll show you that next hour. But we also want people to know, just as with people, if there is a lingering snoring problem and this doesn't work, they should go to the vet.
Definitely to the vet, especially if it's an obesity problem.
Just as with people, there might be a sleep apnea problem, and they should get that checked. All right, let me give you some information. Again, we're talking with the folks at SnoreStop, unusual advertisers with a product that will help alleviate your pet's snoring. And that dog, we didn't fake that. He was one of your patients.
Yes.
And then next time, we're going to tell you more about treatment for people who have snoring sleep apnea problems, because it could be a symptom of a bigger problem. And we're going to show you this wild thing they're doing in South Carolina to raise money for the children of veterans killed in Iraq. Interesting business.
Beautiful. Okay. Well, Mark's got lots of questions about the snoring, so we'll get to that next hour.